Introduction. Young animals grow up from babies into adults. Some young animals grow up very fast. Some young animals grow up slowly. What are these young animals? What young animals do you like? Now, read and discover more about young animals. Babies. Some babies hatch from an egg. A mother duck makes a nest by the water. She lays her eggs in the nest. She sits on the eggs so they stay warm. Then, the ducklings hatch. Some babies don't hatch from an egg. They are born from their mother. A baby zebra is born from its mother. The mother cleans the baby, and then it can stand up and walk. It can run when it's 1 hour old. A baby zebra has brown and white stripes. Parents. Many young animals look the same as their parents. Look at these baby seahorses and their parent. Some young animals look very different from their parents. A caterpillar is a butterfly's baby. Some young animals live with their parents for weeks. Some young animals live with their parents for years. Parents feed and protect their babies. Some young animals don't meet their parents. A mother sea turtle lays her eggs in the sand. Help. Many adult animals help young animals. A young elephant lives with its mother and other elephants. She cleans it and she gives it water. Adult elephants protect the young elephant. They help it to walk, too. A mother chimpanzee carries her babies everywhere. A young ostrich lives with its mother and father. They help it to feed. They also protect it from the rain and the hot sun with their wings. Danger. There's danger for young animals. Other animals want to eat them. How do young animals stay safe? Young kangaroos live in their mother's pouch. It's safe there. Baby kangaroos are very little. You can put a baby kangaroo on a spoon. This young shark has spots. Other animals can't see the shark on the ocean floor. This caterpillar has poison in its body. Other animals touch the caterpillar and poison goes into them. Food. Some young animals drink milk from their mother. The milk is good, and it helps them to grow. A young seal drinks its mother's milk. A young seal can grow from 10 kilograms to 30 kilograms in 3 weeks. A young owl doesn't drink milk. Its parents feed it frogs, fish, and other little animals. A toad eats insects and other little animals. A baby toad is very different. A baby toad is called a tadpole, and it eats plants. Homes. Young bears are born when the weather is very cold. The mother makes a home called a den. She puts branches and grass in an old tree or under a rock. The young bears are warm in the den, and they're safe from other animals. Beavers make a home called a lodge. They cut down trees and branches, and they make a dam in a river. The beavers make a lodge in the water with branches and mud. A young beaver is safe in the lodge. How animals learn. Young animals learn many things. A young eagle learns to fly when it's about 10 weeks old. The parents help the young eagle to fly. Young cheetahs watch their mother hunt. This helps them to learn to hunt. The mother cheetah gives little animals to her young cheetahs too. The young cheetahs learn how to hunt and eat the little animals. A cheetah can run more than 100 kilometers per hour. That's very, very fast. How animals grow up. A young lion lives with its mother and other lions in a pride. When it's about 2 years old, a young male lion moves to a different pride. A young beetle is called a larva. The larva looks very different from its parents. It grows a pupa. When it comes out of the pupa, it's an adult. Then it looks the same as its parents. Young animals grow up into adults and have babies. Their babies have babies too. Every day, young animals are born.